I guess I'm audible. Like, I'm actually now doing a mechanical strategy because I'm a complete beginner here. I'm using a strategy from a YouTube video that he taught that it is exactly a mechanical strategy and which has a proven strategy was in win rate. So yeah, that's it. So it has only like two, three checklists to check out and to watch, and it's that simple. Like I'm currently waiting for the EMA to cross, sorry, the candle to cross the EMA. So if it crosses above, we'll go for uh, buy when also the previous like previous market behavior is bearish. And the same way, if the previous market behavior is kind of bullish, we'll go for a sell. It's that simple. And some days we also don't have the setup as well. Then, and if we don't have setup, we don't go for that means. And even if though we have a behavior, the candle which won't do the opposite side, like crosses the EMA, we will never go for a trade that day. That's how the things are working. It's very simple, and this is actually paper trading also. So I'm working more like the psychology stuffs. Like we have to stick on even if we lose or we win. That is very crucial for every trader. So I thought it's very important to teach myself, kind of like make myself into the into the face, like accept everything, and still we have to work to get it good like that. So I'm on that right now. So I also have taken a small account like for $20. This is actually a $50,000 demo account. I'm doing current trades in that, and I'm updating my daily profit, like loss and whatever is my account balance. I think I'm updating in an Excel also. From day one, I'm using that strategy and checking how much profit I'm getting even if I lose. Yeah. Also, I have attached the exact steps how to do in my Instagram page for your reference. Like it's only like 4 3 points to consider altogether. And coming to the setup here, like this is only a 3 minute trading, 3 minute chart it is. We are always in a 3 minute chart, and two indicators we are using. One is high city kill zone and the other one is EMA 50. Because and in here also we only open, like we only enable the London session because we are now trading only on London session, and EMA 50 is the to get the candle cross, then candle crossing along with the previous market behind that day. That simple. And we don't manipulate any of the SL TP, nothing. We'll just stick with the trade, and the risk reward here is just 1:2. So even if we lose, I think you can see I'll share my Excel here. It's really worthy, I guess. Even if a beginner, still can have a profit of $3,000 extra. Even if I start from a 50,000, even I do have a loss like one, two, three, four these days, but still I have a 3,000 in my hand, like $3,000 extra. So I can say like it's not a, it's really little worthy to stick with that. I guess so. And this is only my first like demo account. Also, I have to, study, give more time, and get back into a good, profitable manner. Like it's not that easy. We all know that. So that's why I'm stepping one step like that. And so now we place a trade. It's like for today's setup, we just checked what is the market's behavior before. So it was just bearish. So we obviously and we have to only go for a long position or a buy. So we'll wait for the candle to cross above, and we got a valid cross here. So we just put at the moment itself. The moment the candle closes, we'll just put our trade in a long position, and it's in a risk reward ratio of 1.2, and SL we are always placing just below to the next previous candle of the candle where we have taken our trade. This is that simple. And we'll just wait for the market to do the things. Yeah, actually, I just saw your comments right now. From November onwards, London session opens at 1:30. Yeah, I think you're telling about the daylight shifting, right? Yeah, I've heard of it actually, like from October to December because of the winter, it's coming like that. And I will just go for that. Like into that too much. I've heard of it only, like there is a 1 hour gap in that and all like that. Yeah, yes. For this strategy, we are only considering two steps. One is what is the behavior of the market before the London session, and then we will wait for a candle to cross above or below the EMA indicator. Then we will decide with this previous behavior which trade, like is it a long position or a short position we have to go. And that's the only steps. We will take these indicators for our, and that's it. It's that simple, really simple. But we have to expect losses. It's like a 50% win rate strategy. So obviously we have we also got enough escalating moments. Yeah, it's obvious, right? It's not a great thing. Like it's not a special thing. It's usual. So it's all about the day we have to accept that yes, we got it. We got the SL hit. It's not the TP, so we lose. But still, we have to get up and take another day and wait for the another trade to get the TP. That's it. It's actually a good thing, bro, because even if you see the previous records, we still have the momentum. Like we still have we even if though we lose this much, we got this much, and we have this like $3,000 of profit. That's a good thing as a beginner, I can say. Getting more into that, we'll risk more stuff, and it will be more worse. I know my friends, so those who are doing this. I'm also in a pace, like in a slow pace to learn every steps like that. And mostly it's kind of a sticking with the one strategy that works for us. That's it, I guess. It's all about that. Whatever, how much like knowledge we have, how much we have studied in everything, we have to control our mind to stay put with the what is what we are actually looking for and what is the TP or that we are expecting. See, sometimes these kind of stuff can really happen. Every time it happens, it manipulates a lot. It do a lot of drama over here, and then it will just go up. And but that these moments are really crucial for us. We'll just go for the okay, now I should stop, otherwise I could lose. Then we'll just stop a like close the trade here. Like that's not we are like that's not I want to. I just want to wait, and I just want to wait in the if it goes all the way up, then I'll wait for that. Otherwise, if it's going TP, then that's okay. That's obvious. Like I will teach myself like that. Yeah, these are the main goals. This is only in London session, and we only look for the London session. That's why I said ICT kill zones. We only enable the London session, not any other. We can do for our learning purpose and everything. And yeah, after some time, even the session marking won't be needing, but still, it's it's easy to recognize. It's easy for everything. That's it. It's that simple. The strategy is really simple, and that's why I should start with something really simple so I can get more and more. And I've heard all of the news. There were a lot of misbehaviors, like a lot of things happening before, especially in the gold, and also like from December, people normally usually like don't do the trading on their main accounts. Why? Because mostly all the big people, like big bulls and big bears, they will just go out. Guess it's vacation for them. So since I'm a beginner, like maybe, so I should not quit, and I have to work starting like every single day. I have to sit down and I have to look and I have to wait like that. And that's it. By this time, we already hit the SL, and it's only 3 pips. Yeah, I'll just update the same stuff in my trading. So that's the EMA got just tapped. Like it just wicked and it just gone all the way up. Like it just bounced back. But still I mistook and but still somehow maybe you can say like due to the luck or something, it just happened. Even that what that taught me is that it's also a very, very important learn we have to come back to the strategy that works for us. So when we mess up that stuff, these kind of stuff can happen. You like mechanically go for, some random stuff, maybe something we are studying, we'll just try to integrate that and make the whole thing worse. Yeah. So it's all about you know, the thoughts that are happening in our head related to our profit, loss, and all that. I think I'll take more time because it's usually like that. When it's come to money, when it's come to a funded account, or you will get more and more, like, conscious and how much into this, what will happen next, what will happen next, like that. So, and, and I think we should end up this thing right now. It's already done. Yesterday also, see, this is so dramatic. It has kind of just taken the SL and went all the way up for the TP. Just hit the SL and then it pulled back all the way to the T. But it's like that always, but it's okay. So, so thank you so much. We'll catch up tomorrow. See you guys.